Maha Cartoon TV. In some village, a ghost of mummy visited every day, and the villagers were unaware of this happening in their village. He would fly in the air, taking at least one man along with him, and the villagers were puzzled about the man's going missing from the village.
It is so much fun. I take away a man with me every night, and these stupid villagers doesn't even realize it.
Oh, save me, someone!
Oh God! I'm destroyed and doomed.
Oh my god, what's wrong with you, Leela?
My husband left me and ran away.
Oh God, what are you saying, sister?
I'm telling the truth. He is missing since yesterday night.
Why doesn't he leave from my life? I am fed up of him.
What did you say?
Nothing, check it. Oh god, Leela, tell me exactly what happened yesterday night.
After dinner, he stood up and said, I'm coming in some time after a walk. And after that, I kept waiting. But he did not return.
What? But Leela, sister, how is it possible? Did you try to find him around?
Yes, indeed. I tried everything.
Why doesn't this man run away somewhere, making my life a living hell?
What are you saying about me, huh?
I guess you are listening way too much these days. Shut up and stand here quietly.
Sister, please guide me. What should I do?
Sister, for now we can only wait for him to return. Please calm down.
I'm praying to God for him to return real quick. My husband abandoned me.
Is it only my husband who is not running away? Oh God, please give him a little brain.
What did you say, sister?
Nothing. Forget it. You just tell me how it happened.
Yes, sister. How did it happen? Yesterday my husband went missing and today yours.
I hope even I get this fortunate. This woman has eaten my head. If I go missing for once, I will get rid of this woman. Hope I get this kind of fortunate.
Just for your information, I have heard it all. Huh? Wait till we get back home, and then I will make you go disappear after whooping you.
Oh, I was just goofing around.
Why not? You just wait and watch what all goof-ups I will do with you. Don't you worry.
Poonam, you first tell us what exactly happened yesterday night. Yesterday I had an argument with him on something, but after which he got pissed and went to sleep in the hall. And when I went to look for him in the morning, he wasn't there. I have looked everywhere. In fact, I also asked all his friends if he was with them or not, but he is nowhere to be found. I'm unable to understand that what exactly is going in our village. I guess somebody has jinxed our happy families.
Crying won't solve our purpose, sister. Let us all do one thing. We will guard outside our homes tonight, and that way we will get to know about what exactly is going on in our village.
You are right, sister. We will try and find it out today itself.
And as soon as it got dark, everyone met at Mala's place and peeked out of the window, and after waiting for a little while, Mala saw something strange. What is that strange thing?
What did you see?
Everyone, look outside. See, what is that creepy looking fuzzy thing?
What is the fuss about?
Oh God, who is this new troublemaker in our village now? Huh?
Sister, even I can't figure out what is it. Oh God, what is it going on in our village? Now how do we deal with this trouble?
I know, it is.
I knew. You must really be knowing about it.
See, I knew you would realize that I am more intelligent than you.
Don't flatter yourself. I said it because this weirdly creepy thing resembles you and your entire family. Huh?
What the hell you are talking about?
Hey, lower down your pitch and talk decently. And now tell me, what do you know about it?
Oh God, this is a ghost of a mummy.
Yes, obviously. Your mom looked something similar.
Will you listen to me?
Say it.
I have seen a Hollywood movie on this, which circle around the ghost which called the ghost of a mummy. This weird thing looks exactly like a mummy.
But I wonder, what is it doing in our little village?
We need to figure this out soon. But what I'm more concerned about is why on the earth this creepy thing come to our village and what does it want?
Now that only this creepy ghost can tell the purpose.
Yeah, so why don't you go and ask him the reason?
Oh honey, for once, why can't you try and understand what I'm trying to say? You just keep talking back. Listen to me.
What can I do? You are the one who keeps talking about nonsense and illogical stuff, and this is why I have to answer you back.
Okay, fine. You guys calm down. First we need to find out what exactly is this mummy thing.
Yes,
you are right.
And meanwhile, the ghost of the mummy heard all of their talks and went straight to the window and stunned everyone.
Today the prey itself is waiting for me. It will be fun now.
Oh, clown wrapped in bandages. Tell me, what the heck are you doing in our village?
Oh God, honey, why are you inviting this trouble? Can't you stay quiet? Huh?
Oh, you shut up. Yes, you clown. Tell me, what are you doing in our village?
Hey, you woman, you are calling me a clown who herself resembles a witch. First you come out of your house and then I tell you. Huh?
Huh? You called me a witch? How dare you?
You have no idea how daring I am. First you come out, I tell you what I can do.
I told you in the beginning itself that do not mess with him, you witch. I mean Maya. See, now he looks rather he is super pissed.
You just wait and watch. I won't spare him now. And for you, I will see you afterwards.
These women are like this only. They don't apply their brains, but just blabber out stuff to look smart.
You freaking ghost! You better not mess with me. I am warning you, or else you will have it in your face. Do you get it? Mark my words.
Shut up, you witch, or else you won't even realize what will I do to you. You will regret it.
Really? Now I want to see what can you do.
Sister Mala, he is a ghost. He can do really bad things to you. Yes, sister. Don't decide anything in aggression.
Oh, so we have some really smart woman here. That's nice. Look, do not waste my time and hand over this man to me. Understood?
Huh? What is this you are talking about, Mr. Ghost? What wrong I have done to you?
Yeah, I like keeping men with me, and hence I come here every night and take one villager with me. Yeah.
That means all the men who are missing, you have taken them along with you.
Yes, yes, you stupid villagers.
What? My husband is with you? And you have my husband as well?
I had them. I don't have them anymore. I have already eaten them all.
Oh God! What has this happened? Oh God! My husband! You creep! Don't you have any feelings of guilt after killing him?
Not at all. And now I'm gonna take him as well.
No, please, Mr. Ghost, please spare me. Please have some mercy.
Nope. I will now definitely take you with me.
The ghost of the mummy broke the window with his bare hands and flew away with Mala's husband somewhere.
Mr. Ghost, please leave me. I have done nothing wrong to you. Please let me go. Ah! Ah!
Where are you taking our brother? You son of a monster! Leave him! You have already eaten our husbands, but at least spare him! Mala sister, say something! Please just say something!
Hello, my dear friends! Tell us in the comment section if you want to see the next part of this story.
And with that, tell how much you like this story. Yeah.
Do you like this story? And don't forget to share it with your friends too! Bye!
If you enjoyed this video, do like, share and comment, and to be the first person to watch our videos, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for timely notifications.